Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to outline an image in Canva. So let's get started. Sign into your Canva account and start a new design or open an existing one. For example, I have edited this image here. Now all you have to do is select the image and go for Edit Photo. From here, click on Shadows and after that click on Outline. You can also select Glow and select the color of your outline from here. Here you can change the blur intensity, customize everything based on your needs. Now click on the photo and here you go. We got the outline of this image. It's that easy. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.